In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Shopify banner in Canva. This easy tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step, so you'll have a stunning banner for your online store in no time. First things first, let's head over to Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a fantastic graphic design platform that's packed with tools to make creating visuals easy and fun, even if you're not a professional designer. Once you're at the Canva homepage, you'll want to use the search bar to find a banner logo. Simply type in those keywords and hit enter. This search will pull up a variety of design templates specifically for banners. You can choose one that fits your style or branding theme the best. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern or playful and fun, there's bound to be a template that'll catch your eye. Once you've selected a template, you can dive straight into designing. Canva provides a wide range of design elements you can use to customize your banner, from text, icons, and shapes to images, illustrations, and even special effects. Your creativity is the only limit here. Take your time to tweak each element to fit your brand's aesthetic, adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts as needed. And if you have your own images you'd like to include, you can easily upload them to Canva and incorporate them into your design. After you're satisfied with your design, it's crucial to save your work. Go to the top right corner of your Canva interface and click the Download button. Choose the file type that you need. Typically, PNG or JPEG are good options for web images. Download your banner design to your computer so it's ready to be uploaded to Shopify. Now, let's switch over to your Shopify admin panel. You'll begin by navigating to your online store theme settings. Your theme is essentially the template that dictates how your store looks, and this is where we'll add your new banner. Find the banner section within your theme settings. There should be an option to add image or something similar. Click this and then upload the banner design you created in Canva directly from your computer. Once your image is uploaded, you'll be able to see a preview. This is your chance to make any necessary adjustments to ensure it fits perfectly within your site's layout. You might want to adjust the positioning or scale of your banner to seamlessly integrate it with the rest of your site design. If you're feeling creative, there might be an opportunity to add a second banner to your store, depending on how you want to showcase different aspects of your brand. Once everything looks just right, don't forget to save your changes. This will ensure your new banner goes live on your store, ready to catch the eyes of your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully created and set up a Shopify banner using Canva. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly enhance the visual appeal of your online store. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.